Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, it's officially 2021. Yay! It's gonna be an amazing year. This year has a lot of stuff happening with me and Mr. All-in-One. And during the new year, there's two things that we do in life, right? Number one, everybody wanna be healthy. Let me know if you want to be healthy, lose 10 pounds in less than, I don't know, 3 weeks. I can do a video especially for that because I recently lost over 35 pounds, so I can show you that. But today's videos, we're gonna talk about what everybody wanna do during the New Year's to reorganize your house. So behind me, there's a whole bunch of empty Louis Vuitton boxes. How am I gonna transform from this to this? I'm going to show you step by step how to make this happen, and let's get started. Alright, so before I start, there's a really cool transformation. There's 3 tools, actually 4 tools that you need. Number one, you need boxes. So we're going to use the boxes behind me from all Louis Vuitton. Please know that this did not happen overnight. I wish. This takes years of collections. So please know that it just didn't happen overnight. And then the other 3 things you need. Number one. Oh, this is so butch. Hammer, right? This is called hammer. Make sure I say this right. Then you need to have a small nail, and then you need a double side tape. Now, once you have all these 4 tools, hopefully, I'm gonna put this here. The very first thing is you need to figure out where do you want to do this. I have this location I want to show you over there. It's the plain wall over there we can use. But first, we're gonna lay out how we want the artwork to look like. I think that anytime you do any type of artwork, you need to lay out the design first. And I usually like to use the biggest piece as a center piece. So this is the huge box I have. Box like this, they usually put in there for full, keep all, things like that. So I'm gonna place this right in the center. So pretty nice. We're gonna build from the center of the wall and build up. That's what we wanna do. And we probably only use 1 big box. I don't need all 2. Let me change this one. Put this right here. You know, the beauty about Louis Vuitton box, you can actually open this up and you can flatten the box just for storage if you want to. So we're gonna put this right here. Then we're gonna create an ideal layout. I'm gonna put this video right here. So you must wonder that how am I going to mount this on the wall? We basically gonna put a nail in the box and just nail on the wall, but we're using a very small nail, so I don't damage the wall too much. Don't want to do that. So I like to create little dimensions of this. And you know what? It's whatever that works for you. You know, nobody can tell you that's wrong or right. It depends how you feel. So let's put this right here. And if you guys have ever done anything like this before, oh my goodness, please let me know. I would love to see how you're doing and your idea, because you know, we all learn together, right? To make things happen here. And just so you guys know that I want to use this small box, but they are so small, it's too hard to mount on the wall. So I create a space in between the boxes, so I can basically just leave this on here. You see that? You can put it right there, and then right over here. Something like this. Some of the box like this is too hard to nail in, so we're gonna use double side tape. There's so many different types you can buy we have to buy the most complicated one. So it's two sides we're going to snap together like a Velcro that remove both sides. But I know there's one you can buy just already have both sides, probably easier. So then I'm going to put this on back of the box. Okay, you ready? So we're going to wait. I'm going to do it this way, right? Yeah. About that. Pew, magic. Voila! So this particular little DIY project, from lay out the box, put it on the wall, it should be less than 30 to 45 minutes. The hardest thing is put a nail in the box because the box is so small and the hammer is too big. So you need to manage it a little bit. But take a look at this. This is so cool. We're gonna show you a couple of pictures of me taking pictures with this. I think this is really beautiful, easy to do, and when you get tired of this, you can pull off the wall. The nail is so small, so it doesn't really damage too much. I really hope that you liked this little video, that DIY Louis Vuitton wall. Again, you can use any type of boxes you have to create this beautiful wall art. And if you're doing this, make sure that you tag me on my social media. I would love to see what you have done too. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Like I said, 2021 is going to be amazing. Lots of cool super news is coming soon to your way. I'm so excited to share with you. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you and see you very soon. Love you. Bye.